Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix data clustering errors with KNIME step by step clearly. Open KNIME and load your dataset into the workflow. Identify the data columns that are relevant for clustering. Use the missing value node to handle any missing data in your dataset. Configure the node to choose an appropriate method for imputing missing values. Connect the output of the missing value node to a data normalization node. Select a normalization method suitable for your dataset, such as min-max scaling or z-score normalization. Next, introduce a distance matrix node to calculate the distance between data points. Set the distance metric according to your clustering method, like Euclidean or Manhattan distance. Add a clustering algorithm node, such as k-means or hierarchical clustering. Configure the parameters of the clustering algorithm, including the number of clusters if necessary. Run the node to execute the clustering algorithm on your normalized data. Once the clustering process is complete, use a cluster analysis node to review the results. Examine the clusters generated and assess their validity by visualizing them with a scatter plot node. Identify any potential data points that do not fit well with their assigned clusters. If necessary, consider adjusting your clustering parameters or pre-processing steps to improve clustering performance. Repeat the process until you achieve a satisfactory clustering outcome. Save your workflow to maintain the steps you've completed for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.